It is time to crank up the K2500, and we've ordered some new snow tires, Cooper M&S ice radials, studless, drip, drip. One day I'll get to that hydro boost. Oh, it's a beautiful sunny day. Not a cloud in the sky. Where's the key? Somewhere's the keys. I'm going to put the camera behind the tailpipe so you can watch her smoke. Hope she starts. This suburban doesn't like starting in ultra cold weather. And it was pretty cold last night. See if I can get this camera to stand up. Look at the tailpipe. As if I could see anything with the sun shining. Let's see. Is the counter going? Yep. Tailpipe's in view. Time to crank her up. Crank her up. Big clouds of smoke. She wasn't too happy. It was cold last night. Clatter, 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 clatter. Well, at least she started. I'm going to have to start plugging this thing in. Yep. Concrete houses. Insulated concrete forms. We got lots of junk. We're all stocked up like usual. Crank her up!